Each potato is carefully collected to ensure the finest quality.
It all starts here, in the fields where fresh potatoes are harvested.
The facility where transformation begins stands ready. Hands that nurtured the crop, now watch it move forward. The journey from field to factory begins on sturdy farm trucks.
Potatoes are carefully moved into the heart of the factory. Strict checks ensure safety and quality from the very start.
Clean, smooth, and ready for the next stage.
A thorough wash removes every trace of field soil.
Check this one, it looks bad.
Only the best make it forward, ensuring consistent quality. From field to facility, the journey of every potato is carefully controlled.
Technology removes skins quickly, preserving the potato's integrity. Even after washing, a final human eye ensures perfection. Careful loading ensures the potatoes arrive intact.
Every batch is transported with precision to maintain quality. Once peeled, potatoes are prepared for their journey deeper into the plant.
Bins are transferred from vehicle to factory conveyors seamlessly. Even within the facility, each step is carefully planned.
The journey through the facility continues on specialized transport.
Human oversight ensures consistency at every stage. From bin to belt, the transition is seamless. Mechanical precision ensures smooth, efficient handling. Transport within the plant is designed for speed and care. Quality control continues at every transfer point. Inside the factory, additional cleaning guarantees perfection.
Transport complete. Potatoes are ready for the heart of the factory.
The journey from transport to transformation is precise and controlled. Every step flows naturally toward the core of production. Branding marks the beginning of the factory journey.
Every entry is monitored to maintain strict safety standards.
The facility stands as a hub where raw ingredients become finished products.
Every step is guided toward the heart of the factory.
Behind these doors begins the orchestrated rhythm of production. Every employee passes through controlled access for security and hygiene.
Every hand guides the product with care and precision.
A well-coordinated dance of machines and workers ensures efficiency. The moment raw potatoes enter the facility, transformation begins.
Bring that one to station 3. We need more russets over here.
Internal transport is synchronized for continuous workflow.
Entry into the core production line marks the start of transformation. With entry complete, potatoes advance toward cleaning and sorting.
Initial inspections guarantee only the finest potatoes move forward.
Seamless movement connects entry, production, and dispatch areas.
Even after washing, human eyes catch imperfections machines might miss.
Mechanical scrubbing ensures every potato is spotless before sorting. A thorough wash removes every trace of soil and debris.
Each batch flows seamlessly toward the core processing area.
Potatoes are carefully directed according to their size and quality. Size grading ensures uniform slices and consistent chip quality. Every potato meets exacting standards before further processing. Larger potatoes are prepared to yield the perfect chips. Potatoes transition smoothly into the slicing stage for chip formation.
Final checks ensure uniformity and quality before slicing.
Draining removes excess oil while maintaining delicate texture.
Precision timing ensures perfect crispness and color. The core of potato chips begins in the fryer, where slices take their golden form.
Flavor consistency is verified by trained eyes and hands.
Each chip receives a perfect coating before packing. Seasonings are applied uniformly, enhancing taste without compromise. The core process complete, chips move forward for final stages. Crisp, seasoned, and inspected, the chips are ready for transformation at scale.
Every imperfection is caught and removed, preserving quality.
Technology ensures only perfect slices continue onward. Automated and manual inspection combine to maintain exacting standards. Automation refines each chip, aligning them for the next stage.
Precision portioning guarantees uniform servings in every bag.
Defective slices are separated, maintaining strict quality standards.
Automated bagging ensures every bag is filled with care. Measured portions ensure consistency across production. Each bag is weighed, ensuring every customer get the right amount. Sealed bags are marked with codes for traceability.
Inventory tracking guarantees accuracy and timely dispatch.
Automated carton forming ensures sturdy and uniform packaging. Products leave the factory, ready to reach customers.
Efficient transfer prepares pallets for delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce potato chips from start to finish.
The cycle completes, ready for the next production run. A modern factory in motion, blending human skill with advanced technology. A modern factory in motion, blending human skill with advanced technology.
Thank you for witnessing the journey of potato chips from farm to table.